Hello, Ma'am Rose Candaza. Good morning.
Good morning.
Ma'am, can you tell us about yourself and how did you start collecting Barbie dolls?
I'm a registered nurse.
Wow.
And I went to Boston in 1984. And then I stayed there for 35 years and then I came back here to retire permanently because my husband died here in 2019. When I went there in 1984, I started collecting Barbie in 1990s. Kaya namian ko sa itsura nila.
So as you know.
Yeah. Umpisa, isa-isa lang. And then, every year, because I keep on buying holiday Barbie, nagadamon sila. So, I have no place to put them. So, in my basement, tira ko sila ng butang. And then, nagdamo. So, I don't really have plans of bringing them here. But sayang eh. Yung pangabudlayan ko. Tapos, di ba? So, I decided to bring them all here through balikbayan boxes.
So, Ma'am, do you still have your first Barbie? And saan umuwi siya nakuha? Or saan umuwi siya keep gin?
Actually, ang first Barbie ko was in 1990s. But then, hindi ko matandaan kasi I bought several Barbies.
Okay, so damo ang
bakal. Because every Christmas, may gagawa holiday Barbie. So, I buy them every year.
So, every year mong gabay ikaw sa Barbie, not just the Christmas season, kung may mga bago
makita ko.
May bago kang makita, bago kang manamian, insigida ginabay mo. So, Ma'am, ba mo ka nga ang iba niya nga store, wala pa nila ma-release, but ikaw nauna na. So, paano mo na ginahimo?
And then, kasi pag nag-advertise sila, I go to the toy store, then nakita ako, and then I buy them.
Kasi, early mo sila.
So, kasi sometimes, may sale like that one there. Meron buy one, get one for $1. So, I take advantage of that.
So, Ma'am, sa mga rare collection, usually, diin mo ini sila ginabakal kay you told us earlier nga may ginabakal ka pa outside the country.
Hindi. I just order them through Amazon.
Okay.
But then usually, I go to the toy store. Toys R Us, pero nag-close na eh. Babies R Us. Nag-close na. So I go to Walmart and the department stores that sells Barbie. That's my Christmas gift for myself.
How much ang isa ka Barbie dahil sa holiday
Depende. Usually it's like $35 to $40.
Okay. So medyo medyo pricey siya if holiday mo siya.
And then if I have the big one, I have also miniature.
Yeah, the miniature Barbie.
Every year sa US, Hallmark, they sell that. So, I buy that every year sa Hallmark store. Kasi mga Hallmark, sometimes I buy 2 to 3 and you can put that in a Christmas tree.
So, Ma'am, how do you balance your passion for collecting these Barbies and to your responsibilities in life, no? Of course, may ginakabisihan ikaw outside diri sa imong Barbie house.
Well, it's not really a big, work for me because once it's already here, all I do is just come here and look at them. And then, I don't really put a lot of time for them. Because it's already here. Para sa akin, parang hindi naman a big, gud sa akin.
Big responsibility.
Oo. Basta, ga-enjoy lang ko pag nakita ko sila.
So, kunwari mo kung very stressed ikaw, abe, sa imong adlaw, you get to go inside here sa imong...
Yeah, so, diri lang ko katanaw, tiganatanaw ko sila.
Bali doon naging stress reliever mo na siya.
Yung kung siguro kung gabi, nag-saot-saot na sila. Gagawa sila.
Pero you have those dancing dolls? Or
I have one there, na naghuhula, but they're not dancing.
What inspired you to start collecting Barbies and how has your passion evolved over the years?
Actually, nanamian lang ko sa Barbie. Nakita ko sila. I feel like beautiful.
Ah,
Kung
okay.
makita ko si Barbie, di ba? Parang, syempre, gusto ko rin to look like them, di ba? Then, sometimes, yung mga outfit nila, di ba? Nagwapaan kasi. So, mo nang nagkulay ko Barbie. Kasi, when I was small, paper dolls lang ako.
Yeah.
Wala ako dolls. So, siling nami, kajang Barbie dolls nga, ano. So, umpisa lang, isa lang, and then, ano.
Subong, ma'am, pila na subong ka Barbie doll ni mga collection?
200, I think, 200 plus.
200 plus.
Oo,
Hindi pa nakasama ang mga miniature.
Kasama na sila.
Kasama na. So, medyo damo na. Damo ka na na-invest sa
Damo
Barbie
ka na.
dolls. What makes a Barbie doll special or collectible in your opinion?
Because of their beauty. Because they're beautiful, the way they dress, di ba? Para ma-inspire ka gid to look like Barbie kasi mga gwapa gid sila. Kung pamangkuton mo ko kung sino gid ang pinaka-paborito ko nga Barbie, wala kasi tanan sila gwapa. So when I look at them, I feel like beautiful. Parang si Barbie din pakaramdam ko, di ba?
So, ma'am, how do you ensure that your collection is preserved for future generations?
So I have to take care of them, you know. I have to make sure that wala sila dust, di ba? I have to make sure may aircon sigid sila.
Of course.
Kaya kung wala aircon, mapakit ang panit nila. Like us, di ba? Kung mainit, di ba? Stress ka man. Oo. Kapin pang Barbie, plastic sila eh. So I want them to look beautiful. Like me.
True, ma'am. Makita naman natin si ma'am, very Barbie dressed up siya for today. And ma'am, lastly, no, what message would you like to share with others, especially sa aton nga younger generation, about collecting and following their passions?
Okay, to the younger generations, kung meron ka mong passion, not only Barbie, like you want to collect anything, you have to put your time and, you know, effort to collect it, to preserve it. Kasi, di ba, hindi lang basta-basta mag-collect. Dapat, you have to put your heart and soul na gusto mo gid. Kaya kung wala, di ba, haboy-haboy mo lang.
Yes.
Wala ka na, you don't care. Pero kung gusto mo, himuan mo gid paraan para ma-collect mo. So, don't stop if you have ambition, di ba? Kung may ambition ka, may aim mo gid ang makuha mo gid ang gusto mo. So, amo lang na aim high.